Good morning, welcome to ABC123 Trader. Today is April 26th, 2022, and let's start taking a look at the futures this morning. All forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risk involved. If necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimers. Commodity futures trading commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Alrighty, good morning, everybody. Mr. Mike here. I did a YouTube live early in the morning for some education about what to look for, the energies and everything. But today let's see if I can actually do some trading. I did some trading yesterday. I didn't really actually make that much. I didn't like how the market was vibrating for the first little bit, and then of course usually it takes off after my video, or when I usually done trade sometimes. But anyways, let's look at it this morning, see what's happening. The one that was the shocker was that Elon Musk buyout, and that's when it shot up. And so now let's see where we are now. And so the sell phase is, we're still not back over our line in the sand. So this is going to be a loss leader for the swing traders. There's no really any trade there. But let's see if they can come back up. And if the sell phase does kick in again, unless we get a double inversion, we're going to see what's going to happen. So from here, we know she's pulling down. We're still averaging. How many points are we averaging? So from yesterday, I should put a point average on this. 344. Let's see if I can do an ATR of 7. Let's try something here. I'm going to add one thing to this. Let's just go ATR here. Let's go 7 from last week. Let's see what the average 7-day average is. So on the 7-day average, as you can tell, she's moving about 400 points. So what we know, if that's 400 points, what we're going to do last 7 days, let's see where 700 points is, 400 points. So that's 154. So if it's 4, if it does push down, anyways, let's just go get this thing going here. Let's do that again. Can wipe those off. That's okay. So we know it's 400 points. So 600 to 200. So it looks like that's your 400 point swing. So if it does get to 200 level from yesterday's low, unless it goes the other way, we're going to find out. We're trying to get back to this line in the sand. Why did the pink, I thought I locked it. But anyways, we're trying to get back to this line in the sand. Let's put it to a 60-minute bar to see exactly where it is, because there is a little shift on it. So I'm going to put a line here instead. There we go. And let's get this set up here. I'll put it for 6. And I thought I locked it, so I'm going to lock it anyways. Okay, there we go. So now we know where the actual line in the sand versus a daily analysis. So let's put it back. So yeah, it was just a little bit higher. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let them vibrate for the first few minutes. Market's just open right now, so we're going to see exactly what's going to happen, and then let's see where the market's trying to push. Okay, so it looks like these two areas, if it does push down, which I don't mind, I want to see if we can get to the order blocks for a reversal. They said 9 o'clock is a sell-off the whole day, possibly. Is it Tuesday today? Or is it what? Yeah, it is Tuesday today. So let's see if they're going to grind it down. There's my bounce. And also, this will be my bounce right here and here. Okay, so let's put the big order blocks in so we can see exactly what's happening, and let's see where they're going to try to get down to. 10:15 in the sell. So right here, market maker, we have the previous market maker at 6 in the morning. So let them really push it down. And I'm not going to jump in first thing in the morning at 2 minutes into the market, but we're going to find out exactly what's going to happen. So we've got a prior low. So I can put, for myself, buy limit here. Because it's so far away.
Order submitted.
I'm going to put it at from the 84 area if there's a violent bounce in. And possibly in prior open. We're going to see what's going to happen here. It moves so fast. Remember, we had 400 points, remember? So let's see here. 583. We had 5, 4, 3, 283. See, that's your 400 point move right here. Okay, that's your average 400 points. What we're trying to do is we're trying to get to the extreme if it's going in. See how much there's a lot of volume always in the first few minutes here. And then what we're going to also look for is this is where the volume point of control is for the overnight session. No, this was yesterday's market. This is where an overnight session here. So volume point of control here. This was yesterday's volume point of control. And so what we're going to do is we're going to watch it while it's grinding down, and we can get go better there. So from 1305, 1300 is not bad. The reason why I'm saying that is usually the 100 levels we can watch for a bounce. And then while that's grinding down, yeah, see, we're way down here. So I'm not really worried about it because that's a huge drop. What are we doing on the baseline here? So the baseline is trying to push down still. Look how she vibrated. 1, 2, 3. That's beautiful. And we'll let them come down. We are in a day trend sell. And so as you can hit the day trend hit perfectly, so it's going to drop like a stone for a little while here. But I'm going to look at 13,184. I'll let them go another 200 points as a vertical drop, and we can wait and see what's going to happen. Okay, so it's losing 1% right now, and ooh, beautiful. This works. Finally, we have a trade map I might like. Let's move this up a bit. Really? We can't move this up? Is it because I have a buy limit there? Let's close this.
Order canceled.
Said 184.
Order submitted.
I'll move that up later. So let's start taking a look at some of these charts here. And we're going to see if 945 signal does kick, and we could. Oh, I don't want to do it in the first 15 minutes, but but if there's a big bounce, we could do 942 or 1014, which I prefer. The issue is 942 and 945 are the main kickers here. And then it looks like it's supposed to be a runner all day. So if that's the case, we're going to find out right away here. There we go. 96, 97, another order block. Now let's see if we can big dumping here. Still haven't had high volume yet. There was one block order. Let's see what that block order says. $153. Let him push him. I want to see if it breaks 84 and then I can buy in. Watching volume right now. Trying to get it to as low as possible right now. I want to see it hit 84. $94.93. Volume is picking up here. If I see 2,000 contracts, I might buy in. Let's see if it hits 84, 88. I'm trying to get to that zone there. Okay, we hit our 84 zone. We haven't had high volume yet though.
Order filled.
Hopefully I'm on the right direction here. We're at 245. Keep on punching up. See it punch up one more time. There should be more stops coming out now. If we can get to 50 would be awesome. Let's see if she breaks over here. If not, I have to close and reset it again. But I think I can buy in here. Come on, buy back in. Here's my blue bar. Should My concept. I might have to shut her down here really soon here. I want to see it fly right up really quickly here. She's not ready yet. Go back to the volume point of control, guys. Okay, we'll see what happens if it gets to this point again. We're breaking through. I know we're breaking through now. We need a really good return here. If not, I'll just close quickly here. Come on, break that. We can get to, yeah, volume point of control. $260.
Order filled.
Should have not $230 right now. So we're $230 into the green right now. They're still vibrating. So we'll just give them a couple vibration levels. It's not ready yet. So we tried. I really want to see a really aggressive buy-in, but we're having resistance on this zone here. See, there's a whole bunch of volume selling, and it might retest one more time at. It's so close to go though. Now we have some buying blocks here. So see, there's a little buy block here, which is good, but I want to see it come down again, test again, let them test this area a few times. Because it's moving from 80 to 15, so it's still quite aggressive. So let's just give it some time.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see if we can get a couple more $100 and we can shut it down for today. What we're trying to do now is, because we're trying to stay above the volume point of control here. They're just playing back and forth. I saw a big sell-off on this marker, so it should be turning around now. Volume point of control moved up, that's good. Even if we can make $100 or $200, we can shut it down quick here.
Order filled.
There, $430 for today, guys. Just waiting for those little moves here, and then she might take off. But it's still so violent. I mean, moving 20 ticks a minute, or 20 points a minute is crazy. Alrighty, other than that, I'm going to re-edit this video and go again. So in conclusion, I waited for this huge sell-off, and I've been waiting for all this volume to drop, but I haven't seen my magic bar, and that's what I've been waiting for. It might take off, I don't know. But I mean, $430 US in my pocket. It took me pretty much an hour of waiting. It's a lot better than nothing. And what I was looking for at the end is, here's the high volume. They're still going to be fighting for a while. I don't like this bar. There hasn't been a transition yet. It's starting to. And it's at 10:30 right now. I like 11:15. So, and it's still an aggressive sell-off at -2%. So other than that, you take care. Pinpoint Insurance Series said, have a good one.